Hey guys, it's Lelo. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's tutorial, we are finishing off this belt. We are doing part 2. We began this belt last time and we got as far as here. This is how far we got. So we'll be closing off this part and probably even going into this one just to teach you how to finish off a full zigzag, like a full one of these triangles, and then you can go on by yourself. So as usual, if you get lost somewhere, please don't forget to tell me. You can comment down below, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please like this video, and please feel free to tell me what you'd love to see next. So if you are interested, let's get to the video. So to carry on this tutorial, you will need your beads. I am using black and white beads. These are the plastic beads. I chose the color black and white. These are the beads that I buy in their packs. This one, and here's the white. You will also need your thread. So we are still using this black thread. And you will need the work that we began last week. So here it is over here. So this is what we will be carrying on. I do have my needle that is already threaded because we are carrying on with something that we were already doing. Okay, so let's look at our work, the belts that we've already done, just to see where we are. Okay, so this is the belt, and this is how far we got last time. So this is where we are. Okay, so we are about to finish this first triangle and then go into the next one while creating the inside of the triangle. So let's carry on with that. So let me just flip this over this way. If you look carefully, we ended within this white part of the triangle, which means we need to carry on creating it. So 1, 2, 3 white beads. Here they are, 3 white beads. We find our center. So our center, if you look carefully where we had inserted previously our 3 beads, there are 3 beads over here. So the center is the one in the middle. Okay, so we find our center and we insert. Remember, we move with 3 beads if we are within our work. Oh, that came out, sorry, let me pick. Okay, so I've inserted the 3 beads. Now we have to carry on the outside of our belt. Okay, so let me show you where we are. What I mean by outside, I mean outside of the triangle. So this is our belt, and this is our little triangle that we are creating, this white part. So the outside would be this part here. I mean the inside or the outside, but it's not within this white part. So this is the part that we have to create right over here. Sorry. Let me try and get it. Yeah, there we are, right over here. We're supposed to go within this within these 2 zigzags. Okay, so remember, when we move with 3 beads. Okay, so which 3 beads are we picking up next in order to carry on our pattern? So we will be picking up 2 black, 1 white. Okay, 2 black beads and 1 white bead is what we pick up next. We find our center and we insert. Okay, up next we have to pick up 2 white beads and 1 black bead, and 1 black bead. Here they are. We find the center and we insert into the center. Okay, so now we turn. Remember, when we turn with 4 beads. 4 beads is what we turn with. So this time you have to pick up 2 black beads for your 4 beads. Your first 2 will be 2 black beads, and your next 2 will be 2 white beads. Okay, here they are. You find your center, which is the middle of the 3 beads that our pattern created. The one in the middle, you insert into your center and you tighten. So here we are. So next we carry on taking 3 beads. So we grab 1 white bead and 2 black beads. Okay, we find our center again and we insert into our center. Next, now we have to carry on and pick up 3 beads. So our next 3 beads will have to be 1 black bead, 1 white bead, and 1 black bead. Here we are. We find our center here and we insert. Okay, next you realize now that we've come out into the white part, the part that makes a triangle. So we pick up 1, 2, and 3 white beads. We find our center and we insert. Okay, so we are still not necessarily inside, but sort of on the outside of the white parts of our triangle. So we have to pick up 2 white beads, 1 black bead. Here we are. We find our center and we insert. Again, we are turning. So how do we turn this time? 4 beads to turn. You have to pick up 2 black beads and 2 white beads. So 1, 2 black beads and 1, 2 white beads. Here we are. And we find our center again. And we insert into our center. Okay, so this time we are inside this part of our little triangle. So we have to grab 1, 2, and 3 white beads. We find our center and we insert. Okay, so now I have to pick up, because now I'm back on the side of the triangle, I have to pick up 2 black beads and 1 white bead, because I have to carry on with 3 beads now. So here are my 2 black beads and my 1 white bead. Here I find the center and I insert into the center. Now I have to do 1, 2 white beads and 1 black bead. For my 3 beads, I find the center and I insert. Now I have to do 1, 2 black beads and 1 white bead. I find the center again and I insert. Okay, so now I have to turn. So how do I turn this time? I have to pick up 2 white beads, because I turn with 4. It's 2 white beads and 2 black beads. Those are my 4 beads that I turn with, the 2 white and the 2 black. I find the center and I insert into the center. Now I am this side of my triangle, I have to carry on. So I pick up 1 black bead and 2 white beads, because now I'm carrying on with 3 beads. Go. Again, I pick up 1 white bead and 2 black beads. And 2 white beads and 2 black beads. 1 white bead, 2 black beads. Now I have, so now if you look here at what we're doing, we've sort of reached a point in this part of our triangle, meaning that our triangle sort of now has to start coming down, right? So I have to pick up 3 beads that will help me carry on this part of the pattern while helping this corner of the triangle come down. So the 3 beads I'm picking up is 1 black bead to complete this part of my pattern that has black in it, and 2 white beads to bring this part down. Okay, so those are my 3 beads that I'm picking up. I find the center and I insert. Okay, so now I am within this triangle. I am picking up 1, 2, 3 white beads. I find my center and I insert. Okay, so now let me show you on our finished work what I mean when I say we have to take this triangle down. Okay, so here we are here. Okay, so now we are here. This part is now supposed to come down like so. Okay, so when we turn now, we have to start creating this part of the triangles, of the inside of this side of the triangle. We have to carry on this side while we make this part still. Okay, so how do we go about doing that now? So we will have to turn around. When we turn with 4 beads. We have to turn with 2 black beads. These are 4 beads that we turn with. So I pick up 2 black beads, 1, 2 black beads. I have to pick up 1 white bead, okay, and 1 black bead. Okay, that is how I turn. These are my 4 beads. It's 2 black beads, 1 white bead, 1 black bead. Those are my 4 beads that I am turning with now. I find the center and I insert and turn. Here we are. Again, now I am within this triangle, meaning that I have to pick up 1, 2, 3 white beads. I find the center and I insert. Again, I have to create the ending of this triangle, sort of like the outside line, while I complete sort of this black barrier. Okay, so I have to pick up 1, 2 white beads and 1 black bead here. I find my center and I insert. Okay, so now I have to pick up 2 black beads and 1 white bead. I find my center and I insert. Next, I have to pick up 2 white beads and 1 black bead. I find my center and I insert. Okay, so we've reached again the point where we turn. So how do I turn this time? I have to turn with 2 black beads because I turn with 4 beads, 2 black beads and 2 white beads. So here are my 4 beads that I'm turning with. I find my center and I insert and pull. Okay, so this time I have to grab 1 white bead and 2 black beads. In order to carry on with the pattern, since I'm not turning, I'm picking up 3 beads. Okay, I find my center and I insert. So this time I have to pick up 1 black bead and 2 white beads. 1, 2 white beads. I find my center and I insert. Again, I am now inside this triangle structure of ours. I have to pick up 3 white beads when I'm within. So 1, 2, and 3 white beads. Yeah, I find the center and I insert. Okay, so now if you look, I am on the outside of this triangular structure. So where I am now on our big belt, I am here. I have to go into, I have to go into here. I have to round up here. So what are the beads that I have to pick up as I go into here? I have to pick up 3 beads, remember. So my 3 beads will be 2 black and 1 white. Yeah. I'll find my center and I will insert. 2 black, 1 white. Here we are. Here. Here. This is how we carry on. Okay, so now I turn. So how do I turn at this point? I have to turn with 2 white beads because I turn with 4 beads. Remember, I'm turning with 4 beads. So my 4 beads are 2 white beads, 2 white beads, and 2 black beads. 2 black beads. These are my 4 beads. I have to find the center and I have to insert. And I have to pull. Okay, so I have turned into this new line. So what do I do next? I have to carry on building this structure. So when I turn with my 3 beads, I have to turn with 1 black, 1 white, 1 black. So it is 1 black, 1 white, 1 white, and 1 black. Here are my 3 beads. I find the center and I insert. Okay, so these are my 3 beads that I had to turn with. I am in this white zigzag now. Let me just bring my beads closer. It means that I have to pick up 1, 2, 3 white beads. I find the center here and I insert. Now I have to create the outside line of the zigzag. So it means I pick up 1, 2 white beads and 1 black bead. 1 black bead, because now I'm picking up 3 beads. Okay, I find my center and I insert. So now I have to pick up 1, 2 black beads and 1 white bead. I find my center and I insert. Okay, now I am turning. I have to turn with 4 beads, and my 4 beads will be 2 white beads, 2 white beads, and 2 black beads. Those are my 4 beads. 2 white beads, 2 black beads makes up my 4 beads. Okay, I find my center and I insert. Okay, I'll just go add more thread because my thread is finishing now. Okay, let's carry on where we left off. We left off when we were entering into our line of our triangle. So what we do is we have to grab 1 black, 2 white. Okay, we find our center and we insert. So now we are within this triangle. So what we have to do is grab 3 white beads. 1, 2, 3 white beads. Find our center and we insert. Okay, and now we are on the outside of this part of our triangle. So we grab 1 black bead and 2 white beads to carry on our pattern. Okay, we find our center and we insert. And now we have to do 1 wait, let me figure this out. Okay, so this is why it didn't make sense to me. So previously I had said we pick up 2 white beads, 1 black. I was horribly incorrect. It's 2 black beads, 1 white bead. This is why it didn't make sense to me. I'm so sorry. So we find our center and we insert after picking up 2 black beads and 1 white bead. So now we pick up 2 white beads and 1 black bead. Here. We find our center and we insert into our... Okay, so I'd inserted into the wrong place. But now I said we pick up 2 white beads and 1 black bead. We find our next and correct center. We insert and we pull everything through. Yeah. Okay, so now we are turning. When we turn with 4 beads. So this time our 4 beads will have to be 2 black beads and 2 white beads. Here we are. And we find our center and we insert and we pull. Okay, so next we have to take 1 white bead and 2 black beads. 1, 2 black beads. Here we are. And we find our center and we insert and we pull. Okay, so now we have to pick up 1 black bead, 1 white bead, and 1 black bead. Okay, here we are. We find the center, we insert, and we pull. Okay, so now we are within the white part of our triangle. So what we do then is we have to pick up 3 white beads. 1, 2, 3 white beads. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. Okay, and now we are on the outside, so we pick up 1, 2 white beads to finish off our sort of zigzag. We pick up 2 white beads and 1 black bead here. Our 3 beads, we find the center and we insert. So now again we have to turn. So this time we turn 4 beads. It is 2 black beads, 2 black beads, and 2 white beads. 1, 2 white beads. There they are. We find the center and we insert into the center and we pull and we tighten. Okay, now we are inside the triangle. So what do? We take 1, 2, and 3 white beads. Okay, we find our center, we insert, and we pull. Okay, so here we are. Now we are on the outside of this triangle, so we have to pick up 2 black beads and 1 white bead. Okay, and 1 white bead. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. So now, as we carry on with our 3 beads, we pick up 2 white beads and 1 black bead. We find our center here, we insert, and we pull. And then now we carry on with 2 black beads and 1 white bead. Here we are. We insert and we pull. Now it's time to turn. We turn with 4 beads. Our 4 beads this time are 2 white beads and 2 black beads. Here we are. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. Now we are on the outside again of this triangle, so we have to pick up 1 black bead and 2 white beads. As we carry on, we are doing 3 beads and 2 white beads. Here we are. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. Okay. Okay. So now we have to pick up 1 white bead and 2 black beads. 1 white and 2 black. 2. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. Okay, so now let's look back at our finished belt. Here, where are we in comparison? We are here. Okay, we are here, meaning that we have sort of reached where we corner this triangle here. we've sort of reached this part here at the corner. So we have to create this corner of this triangle while still assisting it to sort of go up. We are at that point again where we're creating this part. So this part, we are carrying on with this while assisting this triangle to go this way still. So what do? I have to grab 3 beads. The colors that I am grabbing is one black, and 2 white. 1, 2 white beads. Here we are. And that is how I carry on this time. Okay. So I find the center and I insert. Now I have to pick up 1, 2, 3 beads that are white because now I am within the zigzag. I find the center and I insert. Okay, again I am turning for the first time at the corner of this triangle. So which colors would I have to pick up now? Because remember, I turn with 4 colors. So this time I have to do 2 black, 1 white, and 1 black. These are the 4 colors that I turn with. 2 black, 1 white, 2 black. Okay, I will find my center, I will insert, and I will pull. Okay. Here we are. So now I am within this triangle again, meaning that I've got to pick up 3 white beads. 1, 2, 3 white beads here in order to carry on. I find my center and I insert. I am on the outside line of my triangle, so I pick up 2 white beads and 1 black bead here. I find my center and I insert. So now I pick up 2 black beads and 1 white bead here. I find my center again and I insert into it. Now I do 2 white beads and 1 black bead and 1 black bead. I find my center and I insert. Now it is time to turn. Okay, so I have to turn again with 4 beads. So those 4 beads have to be 2 black beads, 2, and then 2 white beads. 1, 2. Here are my 4 beads. I find the center, I insert, and I pull. Now I have to pick up 1 white bead and 2 black beads. Yeah, I find my center I insert and I pull. Again, 1 black bead and 2 white beads. 2 white beads. I find my center, I insert and I pull. So now I am inside the triangle. I have to do 1, 2, 3 white beads. I find my center, I insert and I pull. Okay, now I am on the outside of this triangle. So again, let's refer to our work this side, to our big belt, what it is that we need to do. Let me face it the way that our work is facing. Okay, so here we are. We've come such a long way, Shem. We have come such a long way. So here we are. We are now on the outside part, and we have to start creating these lines successfully that go this way. Okay, so now we have to pick up 3 beads, and those 3 beads will be 2 black beads and 1 white bead. Okay, that is how we're carrying on now, with 2 black beads and 1 white bead. 2 black beads and 1 white bead. Okay, so we find our center and we insert. So now again, it is time to turn. So what do we do now? We have to pick up 4 beads. So those 4 beads that we are picking up are 2 white beads and 2 black beads. So 2 white beads and 2 black beads. These are our 4 beads. We find our center, we insert and we pull. Okay, so now we have to carry on. We have to pick up 1 black bead, 1 white bead and 1 black bead. Okay, those are our next 3 beads. 1 black bead, 1 white bead and 1 black bead. Okay, we find our center, we insert and we pull. Okay, so now we are within our triangle, so we have to pick up 3 white beads. 1, 2, 3 white beads. Here we find our center and we insert. Now we are creating our external line of this triangle, so 2 white beads and 1 black bead. We insert and we pull. So now we have to do 2 black beads and 1 white bead. We find our center, we insert and we pull. So now we have to turn again. So we have to turn with 4 beads. This time we are doing 2 white and 2 black. These are 4 beads, 2 white, 2 black. We find our center here and we insert and we pull. again we have to carry on with 1 black bead and 2 white beads. 1, 2 white beads. Here is our beads. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. So now we are within this triangle again, meaning we have to grab 3 white beads. So we go ahead and we take 1, 2, and 3 white beads. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. So now we are on the outside of this triangle, and we have to pick up 2 black beads and 1 white bead. Yeah, we find our center, we insert, and we pull. Okay, so now I have to do 2 white beads and 1 black bead. 2 white beads and 1 black bead. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. Okay, now it is time to turn. And when we turn with 4 beads. So the 4 beads I'm picking up now is 2 black beads and 2 white beads. Yeah. I find my center, I insert, and I pull. So now we are on the other side, and we have to carry on working, this time with 3 beads. So I grab 1 white bead and 2 black beads. 2 black beads, 1 white, 2 black. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. So this time I have to do 1 black bead, 1 white bead, and 1 black bead. Okay, I find my center, I insert, and I pull. Okay, now I am inside the zigzag, meaning that, let me add my white beads. Okay, I have to pick up 3 white beads. 1, 2, 3 white beads. I find my center, I insert, and I pull. I am on the outside of this triangle now, where I will pick up 2 white beads and 1 black bead. I find my center, I insert, and I pull. So now to turn, I have to pick up 2 black beads and 2 white beads, because I turn with 4 beads. Here we are. I find my center, I insert, and I pull. Now I am inside this triangle. I have to pick up 3 white beads. 1, 2, 3. I find my center, I insert, and I pull. Okay, now I have to carry on creating on the outside of this triangle. So I have to pick up 1 black bead and 2 white beads. 1, 2, no, it's 2 black beads and 1 white bead. Sorry, 2 black beads and 1 white bead. I'm making a mistake, sorry y'all. It's 2 black beads and 1 white bead that I have to pick up. I find the center and I insert. Okay, so now I carry on with 2 white beads and 1 black bead. I find my center, I insert, and I pull. Now at the end, I am almost at the end, so I have to do 2 black beads, 1 white bead. I find my center, I insert, and I pull. I am turning now. I feel like we'll have to leave this soon because now it's becoming repetitive. If you've learned the pattern already, it's now just becoming a repetition of what you did this side. You now have to do this side. What you did here, you'll do here, you'll do there, you'll do there, until you're done with the entire belt. But let's carry on and let's make this corner and then we can stop. Okay, so now I have to pick up 2 white beads in order to turn and 2 black beads. 1, 2 white beads and 1, 2 black beads. Okay, I find my center, I insert, and I pull. And I also don't want to stop too early like I did with the apron. I had a lot of people telling me that I stopped too early. So if you feel like I stopped a bit too early, please let me know. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so let's carry on. We have to carry on now with 1 black bead and 2 white beads. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. And then now we have to carry on with 1 white bead and 2 black beads. 2 black beads. We find our center, we insert, and we pull. So now we are creating again this. We are at this point where we have to create this corner while helping. So we create the corner while helping the zigzag sort of go down and carry on here going this way. So we pick up 1 black and 2 white, because we're doing exactly what we did this side. We now have to do it this side. Okay, so that's what I mean when I say it's becoming a bit repetitive now, where what you did here you just have to do there, and that's when I sort of know, okay, so it's time to stop now because we're repeating the same thing over and over. Okay, but if I stop too soon, please let me know. I can carry on. Okay, let's carry on creating this triangle with 3 white beads. Here we are. We find our center and we insert. So now it is time to turn. So how do we turn this time? Can you guess how we turn without me telling you yet? To see if you really get this pattern. Okay, so what we do here is what we did here. So we have to turn with 4 beads, but those 4 beads are our 2 black beads, our 1 white bead, and our 1 black bead. Okay, so I have to pick up 2 black beads, 1 white bead, 1 black bead. Here I find the center, yeah, and I insert and I pull towards, and so now I am within this triangle, meaning I have to pick up 3 white beads. Here they are. I find my center, I insert and I pull. Okay, I am on the outside of this triangle now, so I have to pick up 1, 2 white beads and 1 black bead. Okay, I find my center, I insert and I pull. This time again I have to pick up 3 beads, which is our 2 black, 1 white. Find the center, we insert and we pull. Okay, and then again we have to pick up 3 beads, which is our 2 white beads and 1 black bead. Find our center, we insert and we pull. And now we are turning around again. So when we turn around, it's 4 beads. So this time it is 2 black beads. So this time here I have to turn with 2 black beads and 2 white beads. Okay, so I pick up 1, 2 black beads and 1, 2 white beads. We find our center, we insert and we pull. Okay, and we carry on where we grab 1 white bead and 2 black beads. Here we are. We find our center, we insert and we pull. And we grab 1 black bead and 2 white beads. We find our center, we insert and we pull. Now we are within this triangle again. 1, 2, 3 white beads. We find our center, we insert and we pull. Okay, so now if you look at our triangle, you will understand that now it is repeating. You see what we did here in this part here, and what we did here will be what we do here. So when we come to this side, what we did here will be what we do here, which will be what we do here on the other side of this triangle. Okay, we have come to a point where it is now just a repetition of what we've been doing all along. Okay, so now you see what we did here in this part of the triangle. Starting from here is how we'll carry on this side here as we carry on this side. And then when we get to the underneath, the inside of the triangle, this side, when it's done this part, and we have to create the inside, we will do what we did here. So now it's just becoming a repetition over and over again of what we've done. But if you are lost and you feel like I'm stopping too soon, please let me know so that I can carry on. I never want to leave any of you behind. I want us all to get it until the end. Okay, so I feel like this is where we'll leave it today. I feel like we'll be able to carry on by ourselves, but if we can't, let me know. I am more than willing to carry on with this tutorial next week. Okay, Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful, beautiful belt. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous belt. I love it so much. You can use multiple colors to make this belt. I mean, this can be a different color, the zigzag, and these each can be a different color. You can use the colors of the South African flag. It's all up to you what colors you want to use. This is a beautiful, beautiful belt, and you can also do it with glass beads. Okay, you just have to use more and make it bigger. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you understand and I hope you had fun with me. I hope you are able to create this belt. Thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the support you guys show me towards my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and do tell me what you would love to see next. Tell me if you are lost or you want me to carry on with this belt, or if there's somewhere where you got lost and you would like for me to explain further. Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you next week. Bye.